Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nadale, and today we will be doing these press-on nails. I'm going to show you how I make my press-on nails last up to 3 weeks long. And these are my favorite nails from Kiss. They're about $8. They're very elegant and they're completely worth the money. Now I just like to lay out all the things that the box comes with. That just keeps me organized. Now, prepping the nails is one of the most important parts of the actual application process. I like to wash my hands as opposed to using an alcohol pad. I just find my nails last way longer when I do this. I'm going to use the cuticle pusher to remove that dead skin from my nails near the cuticle and push the cuticles back, and then I'm going to use the darker side of the file to roughen up my nail bed. I find that the rougher the nail bed, the longer the nails last, so I do that on every one of my nails, and then I brush off the excess dust and get ready to size each nail. On each nail there are numbers on the inside that let you know what size the nail is. I have done this many times so I know which sizes fit each individual nail, but you want to make sure that the nail fits from sidewall to sidewall across your nail. So just make sure that it touches all the skin on both sides of your nail, if that makes sense. Then I just line them up. Now that I have sized all the nails, I put the fake nail on top of my real nail without any glue, just to see where my natural nail will stop underneath the fake one. And I do this because I don't want to put excess glue. On the fake nail, I add the glue a little bit below the French tip because that's where my natural nail will end under it. Now I'm just putting glue on my natural nail before putting glue on the artificial nail, making sure that I get all of the corners of the artificial nail so that there won't be any air bubbles and I'd have a smooth and better application. Now, how you apply the artificial nail to your natural nail really is important. I use a 45-degree angle application, and this just means that you kind of point the cuticle part of the artificial nail towards the cuticle of your real nail, and then you slowly bring it down. That just helps to eliminate air bubbles and it gives you a smoother application. When there are no air bubbles, the nails last longer, and that definitely was a game changer for me when I broke the code on how to make my nails last this long. So as you can see, I have no air bubbles. So I'm going to do the rest of my nails off camera, but before I go, I just wanted to show you guys proof that the nails can last up to 3 weeks if you do apply it correctly. For the finishing touches, I always add cuticle oil just to make my cuticles look hydrated and make my nails look like they were freshly done. And if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Hopefully I explained everything clearly. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.